are you doing? Are you playing with your new kitchen? You've already destroyed it. What's in there? What's in there?
Mama.
What, baby?
Mama.
What's in there? What is that? Oh, it's a pan. Ooh, look, it has eggy in there. Yummy eggies.
Mama.
What, baby? Can you say thank you? Say ta-ta, thank you. You like your new kitchen, huh? Would you just check at me? That's a potato. What? What is that? Oh.
Mama.
Mama. Very cute. Can you say bye-bye? Ella. She could care less about me. Ella, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. There we go. Thank you.